You remember those summer bike rides with your friends? You know, the ones where you patrolled the neighborhood, went over to that old gas station and bought candy for the first time by yourself, or rode over that creek and got mud all over your brand new jeans? Nah, Mom wasn't too happy about that. Well, here at Bedrock Motors, we know every kid doesn't get the chance to make those memories, but we also know every kid deserves a bike to give them that first taste of freedom. And boy, does it taste good. Throughout 2018, we teamed up with Toys for Joy and the Christmas Committee to give a portion of every car sale to help over 100 kids in our community get their hands on a sweet new ride. We just want to say thanks to everyone who was a part of the project this year. And to those kids out there, ride on.
Together with our customers, we were able to give back to our local community. Once again, from all of us at Bedrock Motors, thank you for making this project a success.